40 stem tab, click setup tab, and we're just going to look at a single frame. So I'm not going to do live because I know it's kind of intense. So I'll just look at one frame. So see it's nicely centered. Try increase the contrast a little bit there just so we can see maybe the extra rings. And so then what's quite nice is with the virtual detector, we can adjust those to where we want them to be. So click on them, move it. And so you can click shift and it'll keep it as a circle. And then you can also move the inside to make that an ABS rather than just a bright field. So we'll do the same over here. In this case, I'll make it proper dark field. So we could see before that there is quite a lot of the dark field diffraction spots coming off the two bilayers. So yeah, we should see quite a lot of contrast with those. The other nice thing is that here when you have the virtual masks clicked, you can actually see what angles you're setting. So this is detector 1, which is the top left, detector 2, top right. And so you can see your inner collection angle, your outer collection angle. So as you adjust the thickness, you'll see they adjust because we've got these collection angles on the cameras calibrated. And so you know exactly what you're doing. So it's a bit easier to quantify that way. Okay, so we'll just use 2 detectors. The other ones, collapse them. And then we'll move on to the preview. Okay, looks like a place to take a 4D stem scan of. Big old area. Here for 66. 1 minute. Yes. The D-scan's actually really stable. Like, I know the image contrast, like we're not in focus, we're not any of that, but you're gonna get pretty decent. We were summing 10 frames. But what I could do is, what are the contrast in the 2 virtual images? Okay, so now, no, that was like they found that in the other version, so they fixed it. So point repeat up to, here's the default now. Okay. And so now we're going to try to do HDR counting. Okay. And so it automatically sums it in.